clear slime and crunchy slime.
Without further ado, let's get on with the video. So first, we'll be making fluffy slime. For fluffy slime, you'll be needing some white glue, some shaving foam. You can also add some food coloring to your fluffy slime. It really depends if you want color in your fluffy slime. And then you will be needing some activator.
And for the activator, you could use borax and water, or if you don't have that, then you can use contact solution and with a little bit of baking soda.
And then last but not least, you'll be needing a container, or if you don't have a container like this, you can use a Ziploc bag or something to store the slime in. So first we are going to be pouring some white glue into our bowl.
Let me help you.
It's fine, I got it. I don't want to make it too big, so I think maybe, oh, that's a lot. Here you go.
It's fine, it's good.
And
This is heavy.
okay, and then next we are going to be making, putting shaving foam into our slime. So don't forget to shake it and put it in.
That's a lot.
I know. And then I'm gonna mix it for now. Oh my gosh.
Okay, that's good.
It smells good. So if you guys want, you can get like a nice smelling shaving foam. And for this color, for the fluffy slime color, I'm gonna be making a purple one.
And also make sure you have like kind of like, don't try to touch the coloring because it'll stain your hands. So like if you want to wear gloves, sure. Oh.
When you finish mixing your slime, you want to add your activator or your contact solution and baking soda. You want to add a little bit at a time, otherwise it'll overactivate and won't be as sticky and it'll be hard. So let's start. When the slime starts to like stick to the bowl, you want to like take it out with your hands and
Start to knead it.
yeah. And you want to add like activator or baking soda and contact solution until slowly until it becomes slime and does not stick your hands anymore. These are our end results. I really like mine.
Yeah, yours is like really good, and mine's just like fluffy.
Okay, so when you're done, you want to put it in your container or your Ziploc bag.
I'm gonna like make sure it doesn't stick.
And there you go, done with fluffy slime. So now let's make some glitter slime. So now we're gonna be making some glitter slime. You can use, for this one, you can use clear glue or you can still use the white glue. I'm gonna be using some white glue, so yeah. I'm gonna pour that into the bowl. Okay, that's good. And then you're gonna add whatever colors you want. For this one, I wanna make like some sort of like teal. So I got these kind of glitters. And you can also add some food coloring if you want. You don't have to since it's glitter slime, but if you want to, you can. So let's start with the glitters. It's not working.
You just have to open it, yeah.
Okay, so let's start with silver and the other colors. Oops. Sorry. That. Once you're done mixing, you want to add your activator. Again, put it a little bit by little bit at a time because you do not want to over-activate it. These are our results after mixing and activating it.
Watch this, guys. That was loud.
Wait. Let's go on to the next slime.
So basically we're going to be making clear slime, and you just need some clear glue and some borax. Okay. So add the borax slowly. It's not activating yet. Kind of weird. Oh, do you see that? It's like bubbles inside. Ooh. Okay. Looks like it isn't working yet. Because sometimes if you make clear slime, I don't think it like activates quickly. As you can see, it's white, but don't worry because it's gonna clear up in a couple of days. So yeah.
For the last slime, the crunchy slime, you can just make a regular fluffy slime and just add some foam beads. It's really easy. So let's start making the slime. Now we need the fluffy slime, and I added my foam beads. So let's mix it. So this is my end result. It's a little sticky, but I kind of like the stickiness to it. It's really fun to play with. And the blue and white kind of reminds me of like the sky, like the blue sky and the clouds. And that's it. So this is the end of our video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you next time. And leave in the comments down below if it was messy or whatever you want to leave down below. What was that?